What major scale should you learn first on guitar? For me, this is easy. I recommend starting with a pattern using the open strings in the key of C major. This scale is easy to play because it uses all of the open strings. All right, here we go. We start out with the 6th string E, open. Then we go to the 1st fret, then the 3rd fret. Now we go to the A string, open, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. D string, open, 2nd, 3rd, G string, open, and then we're just going to go to the 2nd fret. Then the B string is open, 1st fret, 3rd fret. Then the bottom E string is open, 1st fret, 3rd fret. Here it is played slow. What's so cool is you can play these notes in between most of your open chords because they're all in the key of C major. Let me show you what I mean. Here I'm going to play each chord, then play some kind of notes within this scale between each chord. Let's start with the C chord. A minor chord. F major. G major. E minor. D minor. And then back to C. Now I'm going to demonstrate this by just making up a chord progression and try to be creative playing notes in between each chord. So notice that wasn't perfect and I wasn't playing with a metronome or any kind of backing track or anything like that. You can try this with just you and the guitar or with a metronome or using a guitar backing track. Anything in the key of C major or A minor, which is the relative minor of C and has the exact same notes and chords. If you want to learn more about playing lead guitar and how to solo all over the fretboard, then click the video on the screen or the one I'll link below. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.